What is up, guys? Today we have a pretty good day. We have 2 service calls. Right now, the one that I'm at right now, it's a freezer. I guess the evaporator is iced up, so we got to figure that out. And then number 2, I got to go check an exhaust hood that they want us to speed it up. So it should be a pretty cool day. I'm right here at the city. So I just gotta pay parking real quick, get tools, and head over. Gotta get some muscle milk first though. Please wait. There you go. 1 hour. Expires at 11:28. So it should be good. I should be able to diagnose that within an hour or so. But if that's not the case, then I have to come back and pay some more. The light. So it's iced up on the bottom and not on the evaporator. That's weird. I'm thinking it might be a drain clogged up, or maybe a broken drain pan. We'll see right now. So let's get up there and go from there. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go ahead and open this pan on the bottom and let all that ice melt on the bottom. So this have the ice that came off. Took all the bottom, most of this out. Now I just gotta go. I just gotta have to reach down there, get the rest. Jesus Christ. And the bad thing about it, guys, like I said, I can't use water because the way the walking is inside, it's gonna make a mess. So it's just basically chipping it slowly at a time. And go from there. Alright guys, took most of the ice out. Still need some more on the bottom. Was able to take the motor out. So this one they changed already. It looks like a soft foam motor. I'll check on that. I might have that one in stock, I don't know. But let me just show you guys this. So I'm thinking this must have happened before. And found another motor. So I'm gonna go ahead and reuse this. See if I have that soft foam motor and see what created the issue. Because it's weird, because I mean it's going into defrost. Evaporator is not iced up, so something else is going on, and that's what we're gonna find out. So my alarm just went off. 11:23, 11:24. So I gotta go pay parking. Let's go. So I'm gonna go ahead and check also if I have that motor in stock. All right, here's a new motor. Let's get a new blade. Wow. So it should go like this. Just to make sure. Let me take some more ice out. Alright, so put the new one in. I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the supply house, get one of these. I usually stock this in my vans, but ever since I come to this company, I just go and grab whatever I need, and just, like for instance, this motor, I'm gonna go to the supply house, get one for the job, and then get 2 more for truck stock. So get this. I'm also gonna put a new fan blade on it, because the one that it has is pretty bad. And then try to melt all this ice. Then go from there. No matter what, guys, I always like bringing the motor with me, because say you take a picture of it and a little part you can't see, it just makes your life harder. So alright, we're going to ARS. That's about 15 minutes.
Starting route to 145 11th Street.
But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna head over to ARS, pick up that motor. We'll pick up 2 of them, one for truck stock, and then come back, install it, take all the ice out, and then turn it back on and see what we find. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but all that street homeless took it over. That's crazy. Damn. So right there. This one should work. 9 watt, 230. So this is where you have to park, because in this ARS they never have fucking parking. You literally have to park right beside the road. Alright guys, so 2 of the motors are on already. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Unfortunately I didn't have zip ties, so I'm gonna have to use that tape. I just made sure it was super secure, so that way the wires are not hitting the fans or anything. Both fans are good. Pressure's on. right now what I'm doing, I'm making sure both of the fans are running after they're brand new, but just making sure. And once I see them start running, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off again and just check the drain pan, check the drain, all that good stuff. Make sure the pan is leveled, or at least a little bit of tilt to go to the drain, and go from there. I still got to take that ice out, so. I don't know why, but that one seems to run a bit slower. I don't know if it's that type of motor. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out right now. Alright, let me go ahead and shut it off. So when I went to the parts house, I got the same specs as this one. So I don't know why we're having that issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and order OEM one and go from there. So I'm gonna grab a piece of cardboard, put it on that side. That way this motor is able to pull from that side too and prevent it from icing up. Damn it. Alright guys, so I found multiple issues. Number one, we're gonna have to order an OEM motor. That's a fact. Number two, the drain heater, it's only activated when the unit goes into defrost mode. From what I know and been taught before is that drain line heaters for freezers, they need to be running 24/7. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up to number 4, and then the other one's already on the terminal block on number 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up to number 4. That way it runs whenever it's on refrigeration. So that way, basically, that way it constantly runs. Because basically it's only running whenever the unit is on defrost. So that's number 2. Number 3, the drain pan, it's pretty bent up already. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and hit it up a little bit more. Trying to pick it up a little bit and see how it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm thinking that drain pan must have icing up, because when I got here there was no water at all on the drain outside. So I'm pretty sure that thing got heated up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire it up for it to be running all the time, and go from there. To be honest with you guys, this thing was a pain in the ass. Just to get that ice out, it took me like 2 hours. So now it's running, rewired it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the panel back on, put everything back on, and order the rest. Every time I'm in Frisco, oh, I got a fucking ticket. Fuck. I got a fucking ticket. God damn it. Oh.
Yeah, Oklahoma Beach, that's right. There's one you were ordering. I'm gonna take all that.
The thing about San Francisco, guys, is every commercial vehicle that's working out here, we all have to park on the yellow meters, because other than that there's no parking at all. So god damn it, $106. I mean, guys, it could have been worse. I could have been towed. I've been towed before in my other company, and the thing is that in my other company, they paid for your tickets, for your tow, or whatever. They all paid for it. So if I would have gone towed here, the way they do it here is they add like $200 after every 30 minutes or 40 minutes. So after a certain amount of time, boom, another $200 fee. Boom, another $200 fee. So I mean, it could have been worse. I mean, if I would have gone towed, I mean, fuck, I don't even know. I would have been fucked, because you can't pay in payments or nothing. You gotta pay the money up front. So it would have sucked. But now I'm gonna go ahead and head over to my next call. It's an exhaust that I guess is spinning a bit slow. So the contractor wants to see if we can try to speed it up and go from there. I mean, if it's the newer exhaust that you're able to adjust the speeds, you know, because a lot of them have multiple speeds, I'll just put it to high. But if not, then they're gonna have to order a new exhaust or see what we find.
4th Street.
That's probably the ghettoest Jack in the Box I've ever been to. I remember like about 4 years ago, I almost got jacked there. Ghetto ass.
Turn left onto FREON Street.
So I just arrived to the store. This is the thing that pisses me off about doing maintenances and they get canceled. You end up having all this damn filters in your van, man. Jesus, look at all those filters. Oh yeah, I'm here at the store. Let's go check that exhaust. I have to call the construction. You guys can just tell right away, belt is completely cracked. The pulley, it's pretty much almost open, completely open. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I have a spare belt and see if I can go ahead and tighten that up. But if it's too bad in shape, then we're gonna go ahead and replace that pulley. Now the only thing that sucks is I don't see there's a spare. So look at this, guys. It's almost completely broken. So that's going on. Also, look at that pulley. All the way open. I'm gonna see if I can try and close this and speed it up. But first, I gotta check if I have a belt. So, alright guys, I'm about to show you guys this. This type of belts are super important to have, especially if you're on call or things like that. Basically, you're able to make your own belt out of this, whatever size you want. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So I only use this as an emergency. We're gonna come back tomorrow and replace that. So just to get them up and running. It's in. I readjusted the pulley. Now it's the proper way. Good tension. Look how bad that thing was. So let's turn it on. Oh wait, before I turn it on, let me check the amp draw that's supposed to have. Oh shit. Where's my phone? So guys, the amperage for this motor is 9.8. That's on. Let's turn it back on. Got the meter there. It should take a couple minutes or a couple seconds. We'll see right now. Alright guys, it's up and running. 9.5, and I think I said 9 point something. 9.8. So we're looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and also put in the notes that this unit is pretty beat up, so that way I save my back too. So now that I know the amperage is fine, and now, oh yeah, big difference. Let me see if there's something here. It's too heavy. Damn, somebody leaving their trash up here. Look at that. Looking good. So now I'm just making sure the blades look good. Nothing's broken. Alright, let's turn it back on. But yeah guys, this belt right here, well, I don't know if it's a big belt or I don't know if it's considered a belt or belt, I don't know. But this, it will save you when you're on on-call or exactly like this. This thing will save your ass. So I installed this one before and I seen them last up to like a year, better than the original ones for some reason. I don't know why, but I have. So that's why I always keep a little bit of spare for times like this. Looking good. All right guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm already off. It's about 5 o'clock. I'm about an hour and a half from home, so it sucks. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and later.